guys, today we're gonna make another video of playing Rivals, and I'm just gonna try to find Roblox. Here he is. That's why, guys, if you're wondering why there is too much noise here, because I'm in my grandma's house. I'm so sorry, guys, if there's a lot of sound and loud stuff. Please just forgive me. This was a while when I was making a video. Going this kid. No, relax. Not this guy think I was hacking. I was hacking. That was close. Guys. You must see how good I'm at sniping. Two shots to be the best. Not the best, actually. Is this a perfect headshot? You also use the sniper, but I'm better than you using the sniper, my bro. I'm so sorry, my man. I must be like a fan or something. Yeah. Oh. That was crazy. Oh my god, there's so much collect. Oh my god, I tried to cut on him. I'm gonna die. No. But I think I was gonna die, man. But guys, when I will be close to getting the gold sniper, I think I will stream. Oh, that was the best snipe after a day, I think. So I got 70 keys. Or 71. Yeah. No, they're just sending me into another game. Guys, do you know what is the easiest thing to get on its diamond? It's actually the smoke grenade. I'm Sniper God. I could all time snipe. I'm drowning. No, I made them super loud though. Sorry guys, I just had a cold. No. This guy's kinda cracked. I'm just try out this kit will make me better, I think. Renegade waiter, when there's a hee-haw, you're gonna get destroyed. And bro, you could be an OG. But the biggest OG must be that my first ever subscriber. That will be my biggest OG of all time. So they got him in first place, OG. And bro, why did you use I left me to you? Bro, this guy is the best player I've seen right now. I'm so starting to chase kids. Let's be like this one. Huh? Miss me? You miss me? You miss me? You miss me? Do you miss me? I think I'm better than you using the freaking bow. Then just do this for you. Side line. No. This guy's going crazy. I'm gonna try to snipe. Poof, headshot. Nagana wera, nagan wang wang, running wang wang, wang wang. No, how do you? No. Guys, wait. I'm lagging. No, wait a second. Guys, I'm back. I'm back. Where's it going again? There's a CC and there eat my cookies. Bruh. I'm trying to make a trend. I want to make a trend. Bro. Serious right now? Guys, we're gonna play 5 matches. Is it like our second match, I think? Yes. It's our second match. Don't think about me, I'm a British man. I'm not even close to being British. I'm American. Molly. Oh, this guy is also using that the OG kit. But I'm better with the OG because I was playing before you. You got a 2-win streak. I lost it, and you also must lose it. No. That was a crazy one. I just jumped. He just half jumped. Just did like this. Run through the half. No. That's kind of like hacking for because he's just instant a wins. But no, I'm not going to talk about that. No. I'm not gonna start my villain arc. Deflect. Try. Crazy. Was that type something in chat? Oh. This is actually mean. I'm the sheriff. And I'm the mister. No, that's crazy. Wait. Over here. You guys are over here. We're not gonna be doing this, man. No! And the match and the wise, you will all times gonna lose. Single match. Bro. I was just training my aim. We need to change maps. We mustn't just stay arena. We must go like another map, like docks. Yeah, docks. Docks is kind of good sniping map. Docks. Yeah, docks. Like this guy's watching me. What do you want? That's crazy. No. I hear like a knife sound or a flare gun. I'm scared of this dude. To just try to instantly just freeze ray me. Then no. I'm doing 1v1. Sorry, bro. Sorry. Bro, why are you trying to do race? Keep the Ohio right. I was trying to the 360 no scope. Like now I'm gonna try to do a 360 no scope. And I'm gonna train my 360s. Yeah. Perfect. Oh my god, he's gonna knife me. No. He's gonna knife me. Plus I got in this video something leveled up to level 15. That's good. Bro, I'm the sniper king. Let's say I'm in one of the top 100 best snipers. I must be, bruh. Mobile. Bro, are you kidding me? This guy want to play freeze ray? Okay. I won't play also freeze pay. I wasn't there actually. I'm lagging again. Like normal. Please, guys. Please. Just make me on. No, guys, wait. I'm back. Now I'm gonna do the last match. And again, the worst Wi-Fi in the world. I kinda need to buy the ultimate. The ultimate Wi-Fi. Wait, guys. I'm gonna buy it. I have the real zero. The real zero, not the fake. Let's see what I get. Let me just extend this, please. No. My katana, will that be white like it's normally have to be? No, I need Venom. Venom is the best. Oh, guys. But guys. Look. If you spot me in any videos, don't try to give. No, the last one it will be special. And let me continue. If you find me, don't try to talk with me or something. I would be trying to go into 1v1s or something. If you want to talk with me, just talk with me in matches, when inside of matches. And plus, I've never used this freaking gun before. Oh, I don't even use it. But I already used the trowel. Ooh, that was a crazy combo. But I was a kill with the pistol. The pistol, okay. Broski, Bixie, so tipri. Let me just get out my ultimate. Oh. Bro. Let me just have a good stream tonight. Please. Let me just do it go this way. Ooh, I did it 2 times. Guys, I know I'm gonna lose. Guys, I think I. this is my kit. Could they use this kit 100 times? Nah, that must be hacking. That's kinda impossible to do it like that. No, that must be hacks. No, I'm gonna play one more match. That doesn't count. Please, guys, please. I need to refresh myself. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this brand new video. Please don't be that sort of player. Though I still remember you. Ooh, that was correct. I say that was crazy. For me too, because I'm the best flamethrower player in the world. Call me the best player using the flamethrower between Hoppy. Push me against Hoppy. Push me against Happy. Happy. Say Hoppy. Bro. Therefore, that's kinda crazy. Yeah, Yoskies. I don't miss every single shot of mine. But how is... Guys, I must play another match. Alright guys, let me just two if you want these kids. No, there's... No, I'm gonna try to. And guys, if I win this 2v1, all of you guys who sees this video must subscribe for my victory, please. Because this is kinda crazy of maths. Kinda. Because I'm also crazy with craft. That's crazy for them just to go. No. Let me just oil up. Because just come to oil up with me. First one down. Bro, are you kidding me? But don't say sorry to him. We must say 10 million times for that. 1, 2, 3. I fell out the map. Please. Guys, I need... Bro, I'm an actual noob. No, no, no. Bro, get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. And I freaking see you in front of me. And second things first. Who's he? Guys, I'm sorry for my late response. No, that was it. That was crazy one. Now goodbye, guys. See you in another video.